So this is Jennifer Bills from the Third, and we're in this lovely, lovely venue, eating some amazing Thai food. As you see, God's enjoying a nice drink. Did that just go all over you? Olives and figs and oranges.
Some trees from here. You have the carob tree. Is this one with this green fruit on it? This is like a pod. No? Olive trees on the right side. Am rechts Olivenbaum, and this is lemon and orange trees.
Olive trees. Hello, this is Jennifer Bills from the Third. We've just been made to go into a church because my parents wanted to go. I almost burnt. I almost set alight the moment I walked in. We're now at a bar and I feel much more comfortable being here. Let's go get a drink. Wow, it's quite cool, isn't it?
Ole. Good.
Hi. Wow. That's a bar. Quick. Beer. Quick beer. A little bit of lot of rather something cold. This is what we call a bar. It's a hippie bar. It's an amazing bar. That's where we got the mail. There's a table just there. Mail. Yeah. So apparently the whole village has their mail delivered here because the postman can't get to them. It's pretty cool. Cheers.
On your right side we have a lot of vineyards. You can see that there's a little bit everywhere. The people from here, locals, have been always planting the vineyards. And now you're going to see on the right side, it's Las Dahlias. It's a restaurant, but you will see there is these graffitis painting. Here it's where one of the first hippie markets. And now every Saturday there is a hippie market from 9 o'clock in the morning until 7 o'clock in the afternoon. Every Saturday. This place is very known too because there's always a lot of music and everything. And since the 60s and 70s, imagine Jimi Hendrix played here, Bob Marley played in Las Dahlias, and Janis Joplin.
Fabulous.
In the tourism. So there was really a big decrease. You can see this was the river, and there is still a little bit. Now we are arriving to Puig de Missa, go to the church just here.
They've obviously driven up here before. Hello, this is Jennifer Billsford the Third, and we're getting on the groovy train.
I'm not bothering.
Wait.
All night long, all night, all night long. All night, all night long.
Oh.
Excuse me, Gina Barker.
That was not me, that was him.
Me. That's the boss.
This is why they're laughing. This is what she saw from a distance. Filth.
I'm not with them three, Jules.
Not with
Not
them.
with them three.